How to clean your carpet. An easy topic that can be summed up in just one sentence. Call your local showroom and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. This advice is important because every product is different. And if your carpet has warranty requirements, you may even need to consider things like what vacuum you're using. Which begs the question, how do I repeat myself without repeating myself? A problem I may never solve. In the meantime, I did the next best thing because two of us can say our advice in half the time. Oops, sorry, but first question, how often should I clean my carpet? Let's see, I've got that one somewhere here. Okay. It is, follow the manufacturer's guidelines. And how do I keep my carpet clean? Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Should I steam clean or chemically clean my carpet? Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. What is the best way to clean a white carpet? Oh, well, white carpets have a bad reputation for being difficult to keep clean, but thanks to modern technology, it is easier than ever to keep white carpets looking bright and fresh. Okay, thanks, got it. Certain products are, and hold on now, specifically designed to resist even the toughest stains, making them ideal for homeowners with pets or young children. The best thing to do is to follow the manufacturer's guidelines. You get it? No, instructions. You should look for products that come backed by robust stain and soil warranties, which vary from brand to brand. So what you're saying is, and please correct me if I'm wrong here, we offer free advice for how to clean your carpet. Yes, regardless of your situation. Yes! And because every carpet is different, whether it's plush, Berber, light, dark, wool, or synthetic, new or old, ripped, and pathetic, we should call our local showroom. They'll be able to tell us the manufacturer's guidelines, answer any questions about our carpet's warranty requirements, and be excited to answer any outstanding questions. Yes. Okay, that's enough. I think people get it and are starting to get tired of this bit.